Nick, and we are on a roof. 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 On a roof.
We had to climb a ladder to get up here.
Oh yes, this is huge.
It's like taller than my house. Wait,
Yeah.
this is my house. Anyways, what were we? We're gonna do a dance routine for you guys.
Oh yeah.
Alright, ready?
5, 6, 7, 8.
It's not very good, but
Nikki! Oh my god! Oh my god! Nikki fell off the roof! Nikki fell off the roof! Nikki fell off! Nikki! Nikki! You fell off the roof! Nikki! Help! Someone call the ambulance! Nikki fell! Oh my god! Nikki! Nikki!
ah! I broke my wrist! Call an ambulance! Well, you know, it was quite fun. It reminds me of the time I fell off, no. That too.
Stairs!
Yeah, it reminded me of the time I slid down the stairs. You should check that video out. I went down backwards and forwards. Shannon was just poopy and she was afraid. Well, I gotta go to the ambulance. Bye!